Hello everybody, my name is Jude and welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, please do subscribe and hit at the notification bell just so you do not miss anything cool from us in the near future. There's incoming call.
Hi, I'm the balloon scientist. Do you miss me? Well, in this new video, you're going to learn how to make a balloon ghost. And is this the best balloon art for Halloween? Bye.
Thank you, balloon scientists. I'm so excited to share this design with you guys. Without further ado, let's get into the tutorial. To make a balloon ghost, we need one 260 balloon, and then today we are going to use this 5 inches round white balloon. Right? So we begin by inflating the 5-inch round balloon. Alright, in this tutorial we're going to pump about 4 pumps. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then after that we're going to tie the balloon like so. And then after that, here we do this. We're gonna pull this one here up until here. Alright, I'm gonna put this here. Okay, we're gonna do the same with the other balloon. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tie the balloon, and then this part here, and you see you're gonna pull it up until here. Alright, so the next step is, what you're gonna do is we are going to squeeze the balloon like so. Alright, and then the other one as well, same. Okay, so today we are going to learn a new technique which is called the side wall bubble. So what is the side wall bubble is, okay, so you hold this balloon and then make sure this nozzle is pointing this direction. Okay, the next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna apply a pressure, okay, like so. Okay, apply a pressure, and then after that you going to twist here, okay, like so. Okay, 1, 2, 3, okay, like that. All right, so the next step is, what you're gonna do is you're gonna slip this here, and then you're gonna create another one, side wall bubble. Okay, same method here. Do this, and then after that you're gonna twist here. Okay, 1. Okay, one more time. Here, apply a bit of pressure, maintain the pressure, and then after that you're going to twist it. 1, 2, 3. Alright, so you're going to have something like this. Alright, so the next step is, what you're gonna do, you're gonna connect this together. You're gonna lock it together by like this. Here, and then you're going to do this. Okay, and then you're going to turn it like this. Alright, and then this one you're gonna turn it this way, so you're gonna get this figure. One is going to that direction, the other way is going to this direction. Okay, alright, so you're gonna put this aside here. So the next step is grab your 260 balloon, gonna put it here on the tip of the balloon pump as usual, and then for this tutorial we're gonna pump about 4 pumps. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, I'm gonna release a bit of air. After that, tie it. Okay, give it a little bit of squeeze, So we are going to make 2 finger pinch twists. Okay, you measure 2 finger and then you twist 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then you grab this nozzle like so, and then you're gonna twist it 1, 2, 3. Next you make another 1, 2 finger bubble, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then you're gonna pinch twist here 1, 2. Okay, you're gonna create another one, make 2 finger bubble 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then this part here you're going to pinch twist 1, 2, and then you're gonna position it here and pull it down like so. So you have these 3 pinch twists here. So the next step is you're going to make about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 finger bubble, and then after that you're going to twist here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then this part here you're gonna tuck in here like so. And then after that you're going to measure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 finger bubble here, and then you're going to twist here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you're going to make 2 finger bubble here, twist 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then after that you're going to make a pinch twist 1, 2. Make another 1, 2 finger bubble 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then here you're gonna pinch twist 1, 2. The last one 1, 2 finger bubble, and then twist it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You are going to pinch twist here 1, 2. I'm gonna position it here, and then this part here you grab a scissor, you're gonna cut it here like so, release slowly, and then you're gonna tie this around, and then you hide it inside here. So you're going to have this figure. Alright, so the next part is you're going to turn this like so, and then what you're gonna do next is do some artwork on it. So we're going to draw the eyes. We're going to draw the eyes here. We're going to do the nose. Okay. Alright, so our balloon ghost has completed. That's about it, guys. If you like this balloon tutorial, please do comment at the comment box down below and give it a like. This is not goodbye, and see you next time.